Okay, so I'm going to stop this part right here. You saw me install this inner lift mechanism part inside the outer cabinet. This inner part with the lift mechanism rides on these curved rails that I have installed on both sides inside of the cabinet. I also made these top curved rails so that everything stays in place when I'm tilting the saw. To get a smooth motion on these curved rails, I used some graphite powder, which successfully, I might add, made it a lot easier to tilt. And I would recommend graphite powder as a dry lubricant on wood. Off camera, I also put on the tabletop. Like so. And I also made my first cut through this tabletop, which I published on Instagram and on my Facebook page. You can go and check those out if you want some behind the scenes action on what is going on here in Willys Garage. Links to all my social media is down below in the description of this video. So all this assembly went very well and I can't wait to get this thing finished. The only thing is that I need the time to do it. As a matter of fact, I am in the process of getting a new, hopefully permanent workshop. This location is in a new property or house I have bought, and it's a 2-car garage which I'm going to do some work on to isolate and stuff like that, because we have cold winters here in Norway, and then I'm going to use it as my workshop. But because of this house purchase, I don't have a lot of time or spare time to focus on the garage or the workshop. Because I'm preparing to move out of my old place that also has to go on the market. So it takes up a lot of time. And as I mentioned, the new location for Willys Garage Norway, the garage, is also going to need a lot of work before I can use it as a real workshop. I will post updates on Instagram and Facebook at least, and maybe in the end a little video on YouTube about it. Okay, now you know what's going on. Now back to the table saw. I have a lot planned for this build. I'm going to install the tabletop properly with T-slots. I'm going to make a riving knife, which is going to go up here from the old saw blade. I am going to design and make a rack and pinion system for the tilt mechanism, so I can fine tune it or fine adjust it, and it's going to be easier for me to adjust. I also am in the process of designing a sturdy table saw fence. Okay, so let me know what you guys think by giving me a thumbs up or a thumbs down on this video. Or maybe you would like to give me a comment or have a question about anything. For future videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get reminders when I publish a new video. And of course, for day-to-day stuff, I am going to use Instagram and Facebook. So you can go over there and check those out also. Links down below. That's it, folks. Goodbye for now. Talk to you later.